Maybe I fine.
Be okay.
All right. Also, my too.
And then a fugu day.
Yes.
And the other na manche fugu. And now for that.
Net2 Somali.
Oh, you know Net2 Somali. At the refie.
Fugu no. Mabin kangu TV mu. Mesramo bibia obeye memwa. Omwa me.
Ade.
Me need to. Ebi nso akwaka akomadan.
Beto biamo.
Ana me ntimi fa ba me da ase.
Ewia.
Na mum
NPP headquarters. Eni mo ho. Sister no don fugu ho. Ka tell say Hopeson say me meyi fugu mienu. Betu akamo. Me wi a me frɛ no. Eti ko ho na kokoje. Me a ho na me koto no. Wei. Last week me gina gate na no say.
Yes, last week.
Ana me. This is the second time I'm koto.
Ada na won koto. Na won fa mame.
Who's Rowana?
Oh, me sure na mo ya say Kweku Kyeremanteng. Na fuoni. No watu kwan a. Wo ko tietie. That fuoni.
Wo ka je is that ya be ma pe fugu no mienu.
Enti obi bia obey madom.
O de metotu ama.
Ama me fugu no bi.
Omo mo hwe so omo nto bi meka. Na ni se omo enye yi. Na ayi ye ka ni se. Jebi.
Yes sir.
Dr. Bawumia enye chinchina chinse okojina sorry dem a wonko to Bible.
Exactly my.
I thought that Christopher kra corner say omo kasa we a politician no akwa sorry. Near more opportunity say kasa yonko to Bible. But jina sorry dem kasa several times on political issues. Yonko to Bible. Ojaje. And Chamantia jina sorry dem kasa several times won't go to Bible. Adentina a Christopher no come Moscow or go to Quran. That Bawumia all the time or person go to Bible. This is not the first time. Second time I go to a
Wuti. Who go to a Wuti?
First one was about what me check na Jaba. I don't know what Old Testament you want to maybe. I'm said the last 5-6 books no bako. One so ko to tie. So ho na je no. Ana we so abadi say. Among for speech writers, any other. Psalm 23, verses 118-2. I didn't know much roy, no. Me who speech, no.
So first one is Zachariah.
Me, very good, Zachariah. Zachariah.
Oh yeah, I don't know.
So, me jidi pa wo me muse. Omutro. Psalm 118, verse 22-23. Me jidipa. Na ono na who prepare. And okoko Psalm 23.
No, but how do you know? But Psalm 118, verse 22-23. It is an anka anya kwa nanka ni onka Psalm 118, verse 22. But how do you bring 23 to ode 23 babeshase?
Na who prepare. Na ho prepare our person work can you who the Bible oboa sad we no kokoye ya Ahmediafo edwa no forever and ever. What you say? Ahmediafo program okoho what you say ne pedini kasa ye wote honum na wo kasa wakukudro so say ye pelida Yanka se betima ye proud of a leader bi akeke. Wouldn't me man kaza. Keti Amo say oh ye next president.
Yes.
And papa no sorry no say what? Ye pe leader of core committees of nation. Ye be kasi yes leader die. So it tells you say or patch say nipa na wote ho no won kan wo mo ho. Kremoni bi ka kire me say so ye kremoni na kwa sorry dem na o ma kwan ma suffer the Nesatu Tisusu Bompire Mawa, which I say, or more Cody Murphy, who so ye true Muslim. No, as I call now Mohonia de Yanya to Tuti, Ukomunia de. So, Netiano. And to Amudia, America before some one was never first one, Zachariah Diano. Yes, Zachariah Diano. Oh, go to tea.
Yes, I'm some.
Oh, go to tea. Then, Eddie. Yes, Reno, and yet by force, so go to Bible. We are be proud. Ujina sorry them club betima kotu Quran.
Yeah, that's true. Yes, that's what I just said.
Usiye yen kremofo no ye gidie ni se ukọ Quran so and so a no waka ho asem. Yes, in some of Bible no almost 90% e wo Quran mu.
Exactly.
So why can't you quote your Quran and then move forward? Dan say wo kwa koye yi ni nyina wonim. Wonim ni joyeza.
Kachem.
Eye atrosem enada say a Christopher be accept no. Anything no yes ade no. Ukosro bafo you will not be accepted. You will not. Obi anim ni de o. Jebi.
Aremeyaw.
Onuafo wa ha say na say station fufuro ba ne omumu ba kwa ba kwa. Mo betra ho.
There be a busy the crowd.
Say Kwaku yi peni bi na onua ni bi wom ni ade a onua ni bi be free akira akoko supporto station fufuro. Eti obi anim ni de. Sa na Nyankopon bo wiase no. Emre bia na meka. Say in the olden days no. Nyankopon bo wiase. A obewo abranti ane friend Abraham. Abraham si na yiso anese wo ware no one yi Sarah na eba ma ne ne kakeka ho nyina. Yedim yesiye. Ye ma ni made. Ede no wone ni made kokoda ye. Omo wo Ishmael. Echiri ana Sarah nkasa nsusu bebe nya ne ba. Ni made ba ne to ni din Ishmael. Sarah ba to the din Isaac. Wamudru pempenso bi na Nyankopon hira wo mo. Anu ase monko. Ishmael sika de ubenya bi papa. Nanso se kan da ho. E wo Bible mu obi ankan. Anu hira Isaac so wonko. Baby a Ishmael dominate ye no. Nkremofo de di ho ehene. E mo ne di ho president.
Yeah.
Obi edi ho betima dispute to this fact. Why now who say Christo be the president of Morocco da? Algeria. Baby Bawumia free Niger. What da ben no say Christo be the president of order. Niger.
Assembly Macron yabi.
So that you know. Ana baby Isaac ase Adorye no. Christo for na diso. Obi o hono ase Christo nye kan say Ghana nye Christo for mine. Oboa. Moboa. Over 70% of the population are Christians. What's it there?
And your religious politics now, or yeah.
Okay, Maybe Akufo Addo, my speech. I'm saying word Christian, BB. No more celebrate or more, you know, mobile. Yeah. Akufo Addo, ni speech in what kind? What say? Do say Ghana, ye describe no as secular state, you know, a Christian nation. Because majority of Ghanaians are Christians. And it's in Aremeyaw Anas say, Obie ni hwa was smart politician than Lawrence. Here by 1992, move Bomodia wene zongo suni nyina to their side. And who say Christian population no and so. It was look. Yan kon ko fa Muslim mbam. E Christian. Yan kon ko jivo sunumra. The terrorists are Catholic for no because oh ye nipa deko wakwa fa aka so woni oko woni so akwa twene de no de aba wo free honum wode mercy buy ye mercy twene de woni so twene de mercy buy woni do mahama Assemblies of God mercy so woni de no mo so tweba do mahama ba wode misata Christian what DJ na Christian mo do kreda ho ye ka mo say ye de be ni ne kai ka ho yanka no krantre ho a this country will not move forward. It will never move forward. From 1957 up to now, Trebi Kremoni ba kwa the president organize. Dr. Hilary Mam, why Roman Catholic ni? Onye Kremoni. So what did the person to be vision? Which democracy and what is a minority rule? What is that? It's always majority rule.
Yeah.
But one guy is adding now, yeah, and Sam Debe is a career Debe. You should stop it. Quote Quran, let people know say you are Muslim.
At one point, sorry, them Mofa Mukata so I mean, come on.
Jebi. Wama ni pay ya hiti. Mefa kwenye so na menchia mikro machia before. I'm say last Monday, regional minister ene impenifo MP MC ni adi na no. Yekushia wo Achiavi abo mukati sword for Achiavi Senior High Technical School. Just say omusi a new dining hall and a kitchen, more than one. The same thing was done in Chairman. Aremeyaw Chrome Honum. And so the same thing, Expóse. Now, so Nyankopado, President Mahamadu, the Rose Minister, Omadia to say, Achiavi from Abo to Achiavi, or Mubabe Castle, a good quota, kama. Oh, I see. Ediamaye, and to be fair, when you so now, Mediado Masi. Nothing penny for your regent in penny for Bahojinano. Ya betcha, in fact, almost share on your TV pa. Yadomasi, Yadominasi, so Emma Sadiwi, of course.
Ni? I don't know. All interest or Dr. Bawumia?
Not really, but from discussions, I also know there are some things that I noticed from him. But medical chair, which I think it's been a very long time since we joined the Bawumia family in TS. It's good to be back. But so quickly on Bawumia, yes, it's true. Over 70% of the population are Christian, right? And because of that effect, like maybe I can say. Since the history of Ghana, no Muslim has actually been president.
Yeah, sure.
Don't you think that is the pressure that Dr. Bawumia is feeling, and he's trying to associate more with the Christian
pressure?
No, I'm saying, let's look at it from that perspective. So if it has been established, so if you're not a Christian, you may not have access to the seat. And that's what he's contesting for, right? In the ABR, because of that pressure, he's being forced to associate or affiliate with the Christian body just because he wants to get in there. It could be a very big problem, right? Let's just say any other person who is Muslim would feel by default say they've been excluded from governance. And that would be a very dangerous precedent will be setting in Ghana, right? And that is why I think all of this it's hypocrisy. Because Ghana first claims we are a secular state. But say a secular state, what is the first word of our national anthem?
God bless
God. That's the first word.
Yeah.
And see, if we are a secular state where it has nothing to do with religion or divinity, why is the very first word of our national anthem God?
God.
Isn't that hypocrisy? And see, I think we should look at it clearly and say exactly who we are.
Like, for instance, in America, is it a secular state or a Christian state?
So they'll say it's a Christian state, right?
America.
They'll claim it's a secular, but then in their motto, they say, in God we trust.
Yes.
You see, so that's the hypocrisy I'm talking about. That if you are Christian, let's state that we are a Christian state. But do not claim to be secular, but everything you see seems to be aligned with the Christian side. And then again, if it becomes that we choose to make it a Christian state, it means every Muslim will be, by default, removed or excluded from governance. And it's a very dangerous precedent.
That is not the case. Okay? Akufo Addo, Akufo Addo, Muslims are not.
No, I'm not talking about governance. I'm talking about the high office. That's what I'm talking about. Because the presidents you set, and they say from 57 till now, no Muslim has been president.
I didn't know most of them. NDC there, but UP leader and president. I didn't know Mongaza. What you say? Yeah, list to crown. I didn't know my president. And majority rule.
Yeah. So I am saying, sir, even though it is majority rule, we've agreed as a nation, sir, we're going to be a secular state. That's what we have agreed. And see,
a Muslim would be vice president 8 years. Vice president, number 2 position for 8 years. Another one, Ababedi vice president, 8 years. So this, you can say, Fourth Republic, 16 years, then Muslim vice president. And then I will exclusion. Don't bring that one. You see, when you bring,
but also, just allow him to make his point.
No. Exclusion. I'm taking from what you have said. You established, no Muslim has been president in this country. That's what I'm picking up from. So if you are saying no Muslim has been president in this country, I am saying that if that is the standard that we are setting, that means no Muslim actually would be excluded from the presidency, high office of the president. That's what I'm saying. Monsieur. You're going to say some words that mean to me, but I mean, pardon me. So that's what I'm saying. Sir, if we decide to be a Christian nation, let us state it clearly, and then we understand ourselves. But let us not claim, say, secular state and be doing everything otherwise. That's my problem, right? And see, that's what Dr. Bawumia's thing. I think he's under pressure to affiliate himself with the Christian.
Pressure?
I'm saying it is popular pressure. He's feeling like because majority are Christian, over 70% of the population. He has to affiliate with them so he can stand better chances of winning. But JB, in all of these things, no. My concern has always been with the youth of Ghana, right? Party in, party out. There's one issue that's always stood as a pressing concern. 2020, national security documents are classified now as a national security emergency or crisis, and that's unemployment, right? And see, sometimes in all of these discussions, I like to listen to what the policy recommendations would be towards job creation. But according to say, it's been all talk, no action. JB, so let me just run this thing quickly. So you can't employment or jobs, right, into youth and jobs. There are 3 categories you can put every youth into, right? The first is employed. Now with employed, those are they're either earning an income or generating revenue. Now this distinction is very clear. So, income, that means you're a salaried worker, but you're being paid, right? If you're generating revenue, then you happen to be a business owner, right? That's what they're employed. There's a second category, which is the unemployed. Or more, they are able and willing to work, but they don't have jobs. That is clear. There's a third category, which is the largest category, but unfortunately, among for most category are not even aware it exists. And this underemployment. Now, underemployment has 3 characteristics. One is the people who are underemployed, their jobs or their work output does not match their remuneration. But the money they're getting is not matching, right? The second characteristic is their skill set does not match their jobs. For instance, Obiako school, I hear mechanical engineer, but because he's actually a teller in the bank. That's the second characteristic of that third category, underemployed. The third one is they would have to find 2 or 3 jobs just to make ends meet, right? And see, JB, if we look at this categorization, we will say every single Ghanaian youth has a place where they stand. And like I said, the third category, which is the underemployed, majority of Ghanaians fall into that bracket. But see, we don't really understand these things. And see, anyone comes and say, oh, we have created jobs. Yes, it's true. Some people claim they've created 1 million jobs. But JB, if we analyze jobs our market creating, where would we place these youth in there? Maybe unemployment would be on the side. But so they'll be employed. But most of them fall under underemployment. Because we'll salary, we'll rent, your daily expenses with data, your transportation, food. And how much will you even be left with to even save? And see, government in, government out, we've not really been able to address this issue of unemployment properly. And see, people make all these claims, oh, you're creating this number of jobs, but we don't see it reflecting in the lives or the living standards of the people. And see, JB, yes, from this time going forward.
All right, so let's...
These are the things we're going to deal with.
That's fine. Let's zoom into another issue that has to do with Cocoa Board.
Right.
Cocoa Board issues, now the CEO that is Randy Abbey said senior staff for what pay sold by 20% and other ranks also by 10%. And it's been a major discussion, and Kofofi said, oh yes, Wama, they are going to save like over like 5 million Ghana cedis a month. And they are supporting more than as for Senebeya and Kofa Bed in Biafan also. And people are also saying, so now move to me as I deal with the data. And I think more yes I deal with. Now the pay cuts has no significant value in what you're supposed to give to the cocoa farmer. Now, what is the sustainability plan for the cocoa farmer out there? That has been the discussion. But then also who you creating?
Oh, pa.
Let me start to feel it.
Yo, Jimmy, Asante Bediatuo. Now with the Kweku Annan, a year education ministry. In schools in the na ye day and normally I call boarding. And me banya one of school ni bia net sa. The day school no na walk cry and Tróuble. As I said, they make yes. The net dem call na call boarding no. The security same.
Yeah, Expóse.
Me ba wo a year German, gomwa German.
Okay.
Ho no nyai. Na me wakwanya bia se me stand up se there bi. Onko. Na school no wadwin na ye school no enye building no nti ye besre na me ya aduma Saturday PTA ye besre afofo no se ye nyina ye nko kakra betimi aboa no ye mboa ne asre aban no so se onye ye mboa na ye ntimi ento wo emfa school no se ne be ya enkola no adesua no ebe koto because omusua de kra na me se wo ni ho ni nti bi mu kra de wa yi kwan obi zu twem na bi wo kasa ne ba ho pe teacher kira de kra akola ne timi twa nani no akɔhwɛ ebe wi akire obesa ba back no na ebi afa na ne so nti eho no me da ma se mama yesa akonya no me okoko wo achima subua no sumumba teye yebi me meka ne pin se yewura no won ba yima na dwuma fro nye
yewura be ya randia
be me gidi se be boa because wo hwe enchiremu a ekoso a nanka watra sa de dadaada ama kokwakuafo no bi ate omo ase no kure se ebi mu aboka e de ato. The answer is yes or no. Nim. And I say cancel da wa why na boka no. Edi how we are ma ngomba amu ka kire ye ana. Jebi me wa boka tu o mo ka tu de mi ya ne se me kuku ye beto.
Yeah, sure.
De wo biem koko no na ne bo e wo soro e na so ate. Eno nso ye nyina ye wu se eye no kure. Die ne ye ka amakuyafo no ate ase mbacho onua afidie wi wo san ho sa wo kasa ba bia anhwa wakasa egu mbacho o maba ha coco board
ayi ne ba
ye no free eno ko eni ni ministry ase
yeah
yes ni yam hihye no amakuyadwuma eni ntina
coco ministry coco board falls under 3 ministries. Just that directly near their share.
Yeah, they are share
ministry because you the production, you the finance aspects,
but now no, you pay at the acquisition finance.
Yeah, finance.
And yeah. And now, or those who cook any. Tina say or bois, Emma the ote sankoreno, edo kuku netiasi. Yeah. Didn't ever find a bitch, be than I say. Na JB, Coco Bodomo, PRO. Yeah, PRO. Minia Sam. Jerome Sam. No, you have PRO. Na ninjire mu de ba ene sei woni mi say ene me nu ka sei ukoko divoa na okwa de aban no nya se odi anumpo no wato my friend Krofo bo na pinda broko bontuku munko na munko busa omunya kora omo de omkoku na be de e be ba Ghana ha ba be ji ye sika na ye ko hu no ada ni entimi nchirechirim wo ani ye jai ama sa small boy o di DC 2 weeks ya ye yi na di miracles abuaje na say yi na di we fat mo pa mo gogo say akuapem is it akuapem no DC sack ye yi na di 2 weeks pe and there so mo normal no mo yi na di
atomanti o asa na wo me agofo no call off
me say o di DC 2 weeks and I buy no point in this or more normal no yi na di. And that's how we ni nam koko ase. Di tro, di che koko fo. Hwe. Me de me ho abo afore. Me de no, me si Kwaku say de no. Yes o meje no mfa nko Togo. Migration bi anche no, anko ton fa scan mre me. Woni me say enu am wo ti region. Wo border town no. Ye wo small border bi wo ha. Hopeson the name, maybe I'll call Boakye ya, or the G to me and so quite no. Obi owa or te Febi, who call German of your friend could be Febi. Ebi wo kokosuya. Febi no kokosuya no bi te Febi.
Why you gonna have?
I broko quite pa. Na ye nyina ye.
Eu vou como Brasil, mama.
So na nim
ko do mbaba.
Na we dim say do ye no. Bebre. Oh. Bebre.
O na wo ka oye den.
Bebre Hopeson ye mu bi ye hu.
Oye den.
Election strategy. Remember no wada ho. Ba ye hu. Ma binti ba ko nchire. Hwe papa oye adwuma. O de ma me fa no wo afidie so ahwe na omo suasa strategy ma me fa no wo me ka wasem o bi ti Febi o didi wie o Febi a na fuo e wo eye broko enu o kodivu anum
I see
na wakwa akoye de wakwa ye adwuma ne yire ne bibia akora wo ho edi sa nipa no Soldier ni a oye Ghana ni, migration ni oye Ghana ni, custom ni oye Ghana ni no. Say ne yere ti ya no nso ti ya. E do so no koko no de kwa e be di mposi ye bechi no. Which is true. Ana me boa. Anso bu sa say the oti border town ho no. Wa so koko de ewuram so okoton ana. Because Cote d'Ivoire for crowd o munya nhihye mpo so o mo otokora. Enti mun frɛ sa this na odi 2 days ye 2 weeks ye na di no mra ha say anyanya bia koko no eso ati wo world market ɛna ona mu di tro NPP time na NDC for ka say enke ese mu akuafo ni sei no na koko no ni eto ne say wa mansan dwa so ni enyina ye hu mu ne kure hu se ne Already kopoku betena achirechire mu hwieye no na atwe nipa bebre kura adwen aye dey agina ne ma so de ntia mesi yewura no wo koko board no yemfa ni nsi nchen kakra no ye bi me checks ma ye ehu se MPP for kokra koko boto a edi 1 year 2 year edawo na ofa na ati no omakokra boto agi hu sika boto ebetima to koko akwa akoduru 10 years aboman no kakwa When Bisaso wakan wasem. Sika nke betimi di bi aso koko adwumafo na sene in terms of fertilizer any sikai Wellington boot endura e de petepete so no wo de akwa boto age won faso e de sika na hye ne botum. Uni bibi we nyina wa betena wa yedi ene omunam no mu twatro e de to aban so. Entimi the American say, ye pese ye nyina ye hu ba bia no krede da. Miracles pa metna means minie. Na ye musa say world market no, say ne tokoku. Na obi a NTB. Na jebi de ya wo mu ne say, ono wadi bone no. Onam no say di tro. Mba cha otama na NPP wa ba mu no. Wonu say fertilizer na aban di chekwa no. Na akuafo no kura pe bi ato. Bacha omoton mo mumpo enwu ampro onua TV mo enyi fertilizer na apro kwa am ye nyina ya nhwe bi se nipa yakodan no ho ene wo so odo echen obia enti na last week ni meka wa afidie so se se Ghana for hwe MPP ye pa because ma dan se Bob Marley o ma wu so mo ketre mampro yo o ma wu o mo ketre mampro enti me se na na makuafo se aban ye no kure kafo pa se watimi akamu no kure se ewiase ama dwaso no koko no ye nto ye mfa nya hwe nezu mi mamu mbre ngu kwa eni nti sade a yenyi bibi kakra emfa mfiri so se ne ebe ya enye kora na ye ho heha ni empe solution fufuro we no nso ekode amaye amanyofo ne se yenye de efata na say small boy because small boy am man hamo because me vie we ni mo chen Burkina president
Rahim sorry
say yenyi na e bona abaso say wo sisi mfidi nyuma mebwa enti Ghana ye ntimi nye bi omo ti anu afrada da so no enne ye hwehwiem se konfa noche peta mo nso beto ne de bia ntos wa akomadan pebrem Ghana fo na akọ Burkina the oti desert so kofa ntos aba wo ye nda akwakoto ye enso ye tia mo obi se watu dam hawakum sin ye jaimo ne nam kro we mu
no vice president na kan former vice president
no hawakum sin was special initiative ono na tutu dam kro we mu na me Bawumia de so ono wo ka se ade ne ye kokwa a hu se ye tuntum enti ono ka so watu da watu se nya no kre enti no me nka na
so you be kai your friend is saying how comes be kai says scanner mo budget na mo de man betumi to dam
enti abula wotu ye we se dam na wontimi ntu a because ye eduadua nya advantage ngeti so ni ri etimi tu abula se no friend dag out no enso kakra betemu a ye sori ahomachi se pumping machine entimi fa ntumu a ye de bucket sa ne de carabash ne se gu enema na se kakra akra ye benya bi ate abula no oye no way enti we nyina ye ja no na mo so okope women organizer nyame ampata menim so meto ama because me support no onya wi ni se egwom eno anu no ntimi nche no
what this is 3 years so
obe
Someone for age, you be at
8 bracket. No, be the 60 years a woman organizer for the age. No problem. You have support.
Yeah,
want to be the man who see no, Obi is our Kumsin. Omunina, no, I see a chumba, ne Yabusa, a hina we see with damn no. Factory, Danado did die as soon as say every district was a factory, no. Umi Musa was and some say factory no way. You must have one sem because Oko Gaboso a doco and don't think because tomato factory. I walk a year Gaboso. And you will see cocoa factory will see what Serino. Oh, much of a senior president cocoa no way. So many in Abenya on Faswa made to Mama. And made the man who see Kurano, Miss Roman pay your mamma, who besuntin do different. You won't conform me or my jai casa. Omo jai kasa obi se obesunti ne edi na difunu anim sa oni muso awu difunu anim
akoi krasu ni
pastor Owusu o ma me since NPP Kofi what na no kasa da
Obedi general secretary
because Kennedy GVG nsem ya jai ka okokasa ye be kai onya kodi general secretary ni se bom okwachi na ye obetem Ghana for mun sori o munti ada ye misao Attorney General no mesre no papa negotiations na ya do sorodo my who action
but that's it also
yeah
Koko for issues
my person bisa question president the man so omo immunity do ya na cover omo
not no Nema no
what akonyaso na oye yedi aminim say but okofia
yeah
sa presidential immunity na ebo Akufo Addo ho
it's just a privilege I mean but can
okay and say monim say Akufo Addo man kra ambulance no spare parts no
yes
samukai
yes
all right ode ya kaimo Media, ya koko consensem ya.
Yeah.
Number one, Yabema, on the issue of Randia Bediano, we don't need Ubia or ye Koko Kieni, no Timaye. A hono, CEO position, apart from everything, so a leadership.
Yeah, that's true.
What you say?
Yeah.
Political leadership, yes, no, any other. You should be able to do that. Number two, on your independent. Answer no be take a decision, you know.
Board.
Minister now was sharing us,
yeah.
Says Omoyi Koko board about Minister of Finance.
Yeah, but almost also a board and kasa.
Board wo
yes, board.
And minister also all the time. Yes. Aside that, yes. Because Koko ye the backbone of the economy in Suntino. Cabinet is also safe.
Yes, that's true.
So and this is okay kasa no more in Abomwa. Yes, day-to-day administration, but some of the major decisions, you know, you cannot take it alone. And in T, and I say, I'm say a whole report to call you could do president and him or your emergency cabinet meeting. I think it's a young man break a crack. Because
no, as in Randiabi.
I see you, young man break a crack.
Okay.
Look, Yabema, over two. Mesa ejeizo wonum abrante bakwa omo take office na bisuma no pa eye John Jinapo
yes and
yeah na the sector no eye so eyi say
yeah
Nyankopon na ye nado
yeah that's true
and with that one city levy na Ghana for G2 mu no atimabo na mana ayi pa because ngrofo ni na sin kunkon so say ekono no sham na mu a afi na no ofroba eti adwuma na oye ya sile amana na so obedru nkunkon so no obi awura dikan o but odo no de no ye hu so bunyina agwo kunkon so na nko mokwa ebia na gwo okura twam kra sana de netie eti etoda esese ye ma break akra ne ehwe se ne ebesi akọ
ncheche mu nti na me se wa hye
ncheche mu ne de
ya bo agu no so a
wa se wa ye bi but anye eyi se na nka so ye na ka so ye timetable and then onua otchere me wo metu adeche mo TV3 we say no wa cheche mo
na aprofo no kra na wo kan dodo say ne dokoko ni bi be bi okotena resurrect no koko farmers dodo say ne bitie o
we da jebi
yes sir
me call honorable Kopoko.
Okay.
Briefly, me do okra no oko parliament. Briefly, I know me quick explanation bi. Next thing I'm say I'm getting the honorable. Despite say Cocoa border free was no. You need to go to television. And then do this. What starting and so on say emwaye.
No, I'm saying just ofi hanem nem so call ada I'm so call multimedia.
Yes.
Yeah.
One say emu adwo.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Me ko na me fa ya me de chechere yi mu afi NPP for me no ana omoti program no so. Na fe omoni mo twa o. Hwe ebra na DC for ka say esesa ban twa 6500. They were justified.
Yeah. Yes.
Because that time na cocoa akosro world market price akosro na $10,000 per ton na $10,000 per ton no say 16 bags and the beki ton no it is what the 16 bags no e divide there dollar obenya is about 400 and something who wie eno a na fe wo dia multiply your exchange rate no etu bo hu say cocoa bag ba kon as at that time no na ye 9,000 plus. It is a sanity idea. And ye, as I say, a bang. What to me, a chemumians and out the menu, and Macoco Canino. Now by who keep Bako. I don't know how the better, or a caddy saying, a fatras and some Utia, Mini Kagakon, not the Asadino. But that time, no, NPP are buying chemumians, are buying the 5 you know, and what the Bako. 89,000 plus na say wutia 3,100 because say na ye 1,000 bibia maso ko hontino na omufi say wo mwanya tumu bebre mewa na kasi say onya brosa hwe almost 30 post to honorable Ato Forson the video be owo opposition
yes
a year no ye he was emphatic.
Yeah.
Say, as he said, we pay 70% of FOB price. It is almost at any point in time, they will pay 70%. FPP, and now, air propaganda. I will get over to 6,500. Now, send you piano. Send you ever told Coco no, and my son Jasono. And don't have bankers who know the piano.
Yes.
I buy you take you over, and I did not take about $7,200. Oh, check here. Sikana, or Modeka home, so I buy the 100 cities pen account. Now buy you more than even the 70%. But what must say, I buy the 100 cities pen account. Not will fee the world market price. And then we know Casas we check it, and this is here world market price. Per ton no $3,700. It is at $3,700. So okay, so the no year juma. Say cocoa 1 bag no obeto no amanse dwaso be say 1,000 something 1,900. Eti esisa ban etiso ana. Na aban timi nkonko bobusia enso so nka say oh amansanjwa so na abafo muntino me de busia no babeshem na wa pale eka enso de ago me de wo ka say cocoa farmer bia hia good road
yeah
cocoa farmer bia hia good school e wo the community cocoa farmer bia hia insuo cocoa farmer bia hia light cocoa farmer chese bia wo bia hia wa kra bia no wo cocoa communities na obu hia the same thing it is campaign ana ban de baba yesade no NPP for Kojo discuss omo de kwakoye kadi say ofan konsam that's kadi anhu baby efai contractor jai ayi adwuma nkese saban ne year 2025 wo kati bebre off e gada sikadi na de koma contractor so onye fine should we continue doing this it is yes sir and then me ne wo ka say just say 2,500 and something no. We check the world market price. Yeah, the $4,100 no cry a year. Sikano Omotuano, Omotua 90% of the FOB price at the Ama farmers. 90%. Yes, Ramu. Mamo ma NPP and Nadamo. Mo se say and the tier. Koko ni de ye nim say ye nyusu no Ghana ha ye koton ye di sikana ba bitua muka. Enti say de omo beto no ho no no. Sa na say omo hwe so edi tua muka.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.